Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a product, a hair care product that I've been using for quite some time now, and I've been loving the product. So I'm gonna be showing you what the product and how I feel about it and how you can use it and everything about the product in just a moment. But before that, I would like to tell you this is going to be my background for quite some time now, as I am still setting up things at our home after my sister's marriage. So this is going to be the background as of now, so bear with me. I am yet to figure out where to sit down and film finally, because I have my studio set up. Even then, I'm not ready to film there yet, so there's a lot of confusion going on. But keeping that aside, I'm gonna start today's video. You all know how much I love my hair, and I've not done anything to my hair, anything at all. I've not treated my hair with anything. I've not colored my hair in salons. I did it myself at home once. That too, I was very skeptical about doing it. After that, I am quite happy about the results and everything, but I've not done anything to my hair because I love my hair. I love my hair, so I don't do anything to it because I'm very cautious and very conscious, because if something goes wrong, I cannot take it, because my hair is something that I really love more than my skin. I think I love my hair more. So yeah, I have not cut my hair also. I think my hair is quite long. I'm just gonna try and show you. Okay. I think I have quite up to my waist now. I've grown my hair. I've not cut my hair since the COVID start. It's been a year almost, so I've not cut my hair. Also, I am loving the long hair look actually on me. It is quite nice. So today's video is about a hair care product. Since we've talked a lot about my hair and how much I love my hair and how much I'm loving my long hair recently, so long hair is quite a maintenance to be honest. If it is a short hair, it's whenever you want to take a wash, you can wash it, or if you don't want to, it doesn't make a lot of difference. But with the long hair, there is a lot of maintenance, in my opinion. At least for me, there is a lot of maintenance. First thing is that split ends are a major problem when you have long hair, because as long as the hair grows, the ends starts to split and the ends become very dry. For me, I think my mid-length from here itself, my hair is quite dry recently because of the length, and also there is no moisture after this. So I've been using this product from Loreal Paris, the Dream Length No Haircut Cream. So basically, if a product can actually work on your split ends and you don't have to cut your last 3 centimeters, how would it actually feel? Not cutting your lengths, growing your hair longer, that's amazing. See, that's something that I want, because I don't want to cut my hair and I want to have my hair long. You do whatever DIY, everything that you do, at the end you will have to trim your hair at least this much, because you have split ends at the end, right? I really love the idea of this cream. Firstly, this is a leave-in cream. I'm gonna read the claims of the product. Firstly, it seals split ends and strengthens length and tips. This is for long damaged hair, meaning you can use your hair if it is very long and you're struggling with damage and dryness and also split ends. So these are the things that I'm facing right now, so that is the thing that I can relate to. The No Haircut Cream protects your hair from its 2 main enemies. First one, breakage. Breakage happens because of the dryness, and also it is not hydrated or moisturized properly. That is when breakage happens. And split ends, it's reconstructing formula, a cocktail of vegetal keratin, vitamins and castor oil, seals and strengthens lengths, hats shine and makes hair easier to style. It helps to keep your hair as long as you want. That's probably too true. True. Okay, the no haircut cream is also perfect to use just before hair dryer or straightener, as it often offers heat protection up to 180 degrees Celsius. So that's also a really nice thing. If a leave-in cream also acts as a heat protectant. So what I basically don't like about heat protectant is that just with the spray you can actually not protect your hair that much, but when you're applying cream you're making sure that all the strands are getting the cream. So I think a cream is much more effective compared to sprays, so that's a plus, that's a win here. I will leave the product link and the pricing on the screen for you to check out, and if you want to get the product I will leave the link in the description for you to check out the product as well. Also, the range has a restoring shampoo with vegetal keratin and castor oil that intensely repairs your lengths. And the range also has a detangling conditioner with vegetal keratin and castor oil that instantly detangles with less breakage. So these are the claims that the brand give, and also I would agree with most of the claims, because it actually works on whatever it says it works. It does nothing more, nothing less. It is apt for what it actually says. You don't have to cut your hair anymore if you're using this cream because of split ends and breakage. Okay, so it also helps strengthens your hair, and it's a nice product, and I would the idea of the product is really amazing, because there is no such cream in the market that helps with the split ends, as of I know. If you know anything you can definitely correct me if I'm wrong, but as of I know, I have not seen anything like this one before. So I think this is a nice product. So now we will move on to see how you can actually use this product on your hair. So how you basically use this product is that you can either use it on your wet hair or on your dry hair. It's up to you. You will if the application is same for wet and dry. If you're applying it on your hair wet, you have to split your hair into two parts and start applying the cream only on the length of the hair and to the tips, not on the root. Please remember that you do not want to apply this on your scalp, because this doesn't do anything in regards with your scalp nourishment or anything of that sort. It only helps with this length and the tips. Using it in your dry hair, the application remains the same. So that's how you basically use it. From the first use, you will see there is a lot of nourishment or moisture to your hair. You can definitely see from the before and after that I've just inserted in the clip. You can see how my hair is in the before and how my hair is in the after, so you can make a difference of how much it does to your hair with one single use. With the regular usage of the product, it is I think I can assure you that this is gonna help you with the split ends, and you don't have to cut your hair anymore. I have been loving this product, seriously. This product is one of my favorite to add to my vanity, and I would highly suggest you guys to try this one. Another thing that I want to add is that you guys know that I don't do a lot of hair care videos on my channel, because I'm very skeptical of using any new product on my hair. But also understand that if I am suggesting a product, it is only because I've used it on myself and I've not taken risk with my hair. So I'm very very particular about my hair care routines, and this is something that I've been loving, and I would highly recommend you guys to try this on. So with this we complete this video. I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.